Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide pictures in Redmi Note 13. Before we start the video, make sure to like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. Okay, now if you want to hide any picture from your gallery, so all you guys have to do just open the picture and then we have option of three dot here. Just click on three dot and then click on add to album. Here we have option of private album. So just click on private album and then press OK. After that, it required a password. Just enter the password to access the picture. Then again enter the password or draw a pattern. After that, press next. Then click on not now. So as you see, the picture is hide. If you want to access the picture, all you guys have to do is just go to album and scroll it down. Then this appears. Then just enter the password you set. So as you see, so that is the picture which I hide. So through this method, you guys can hide the picture. And if you want to again unhide the picture, all you guys have to do is just go to private album. And then here we have option next to delete button. Just click on this and then choose the file from where it belongs. So as you see, this picture appear again on camera album. So this is a method to which you can hide the photo from album in Redmi Note 13. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.